In the hills of the prestigious Prestonwood neighborhood in Arlington, our new listing is not one to miss. I'm Chase Hansen, your DFW Realtor. Let's check out this house and neighborhood. This is a large custom home with over 3,500 square feet and 5 bedrooms in a heavily treed neighborhood with great hills that add privacy and character. We enter into a bright greeting area open to the living room and one of 2 formal dining areas. Next, we move into the central living room with a modern 2-sided fireplace. The room is open to the whole house and it flows into the second dining area, all looking out onto the amazing backyard we'll see later. This all flows right into the kitchen with tons of storage and counter space. On the other side of the main living room is an additional living space with great built-ins being used as a family room. This connects into a separate office space also with great storage and built-ins. Off the other side of the living room are 2 bedrooms, as well as a nicely updated bathroom. Moving to the other side of the kitchen is a large laundry room, and then the primary bedroom and ensuite. Now let's head upstairs, where we'll find an additional living room, 2 more bedrooms, and another full bathroom. Now let's head outside. This house was made for entertaining, with a ton of patio space, an amazing pool and spa, and a really cool elevated seating area overlooking everything. To conclude our video, let's take a moment to talk about the Prestonwood neighborhood, as well as what North Arlington offers for the people who call it home. Prestonwood is one of Arlington's classic neighborhoods and has been a sought-after pocket of town since it was first developed in the 80s and 90s. This is for a couple reasons. First, Prestonwood is a fully custom neighborhood. It isn't a cookie-cutter development, and with that comes larger lot sizes, more variety in the style and character of houses, and larger houses with more bedrooms and more spacious floor plans. Another reason people love Prestonwood is because it is one of the only places in DFW you get real hills and elevation changes. That, combined with the big established trees you get in many of Arlington's neighborhoods, makes for a really good feeling as you drive through the area. Lastly is Prestonwood's location in North Arlington and all the amenities and access that gives it. So I'll zoom out a bit to talk about the area. North Arlington is ideal because it sits on I-30, which is the main highway that goes between Dallas and Fort Worth, and it's only 20 minutes from DFW International Airport. It's also where all the entertainment features of Arlington are, like the Dallas Cowboys Stadium, Texas Rangers Stadium, the old Rangers ballpark being used for XFL and other events, Six Flags, Hurricane Harbor, and a bunch of new museums, restaurants, and attractions that keep coming to the area. On top of that, it's a city that is super family friendly, with a ton of parks, well-rated schools, and all the amenities you can need for groceries, shopping, whatever else you need. Arlington is a really great place to live. I can say that both because I personally live here and because I have continued to see how the city is investing in quality of life amenities for its residents. That's my overview of the area and the end of our home tour. Let me know in the comments what you think about the house in the area. And if you're interested in learning more about this house or getting help with your home purchase or sale more generally, I would love to be your go-to realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. You can reach me at chasehansen@remax.net or on Instagram at HansenRealtorsDFW to connect and talk more. Thanks for watching. My name is Chase Hansen, your DFW Realtor. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel, like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to keep up with everything I'm putting out. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.